Hi guys, James here. Welcome to Boldly Goes Model Works, and this is an inbox review of Tamiya's 1/48 scale German kingtiger production turret, military miniature series number 36. It says here. So let's have a look around the box. Firstly, copyright 2006, so that was obviously when it was made. Two camo versions, one with a later version with the ambush camo, so little dots all over it, and the other one has a dark yellow and red brown camo over Zimrit with a nice knight on it. So this side, just painted up version of it, and the end die-cast chassis, part number 32536 to 2100 yen, I believe that is. That's the price of the kit. And let's open the box. Now this kit hasn't been opened, so I'll pause the video here and open all the bags for you. Right, so that's them all debagged. So let's have a first look at the instructions. Obviously, there are gatefold instructions. Bit of history here. Powered by a Maybach P30 V12 engine. However, this I believe the King was one of the first hybrids, because they were electrically there were electric motors involved. Hence it tended to break down quite a lot. Right, so part one of the instructions, gluing on the back plate and some front parts for the onto the die-cast chassis here, noting that's for the Zimrit version. Most coloured in it's for Zimrit. Obviously Zimrit, I would strongly advise you to have a look at, do your research. Wheels, yes, there's a bloody lot of them. So road wheels, drive sprocket and idler wheel, they're all clearly explained. So it's 10, 8, yeah, quite a lot of road wheels. Again, gluing them on. We don't have to worry about painting the tyres, because they're steel. So basically I can cheat a little bit with that. Again, filling up the tracks. Obviously following this sequence. So that piece in first, then that, then that, then that, and then that, and background, round we go on there. Step 5, again, fitting the exhausts, fitting those little bits on there, and the jack block, fitting the jack and the mud flaps and some exhaust covers. Now, most important is don't fit the shackles until you fit the top of the hull. So putting that in there, screw it and attaching it. Again, it's shown clearly where the Zimrit goes. And this is the little parts we've got a Bosch light, hull machine gun, an engine motor access hatch, which is a very clever way of hiding both of the screws. This one. Again, this one attaching upper hull parts, hatches, and got fenders here. Few tools there. Fitting the ropes. Big hammer. Again, some nice mesh covers for the grills. More tow ropes to be fitted. And this side is the oops, and then it's building up the gun barrel. Yep, it's a big old gun on this one. Again, polycaps are in use there. Fitting the Zimrit there if it has Zimrit. Building the cupola up. Having the hatch open or closing, both closing. Fitting the ablative armour, which is the tracks. And fitting the machine gun, fitting the tracks on that side, and finishing it there. Tells you what parts aren't being used. Again, no date for the kingtiger here. Tank 008, Absalon 501, Truss Point, Belgium. So I think that's 1944-45. The B version, Oder Riverfront 1945. That's Panzer Abteilung 502. Tank number 555. Again, very colourful. I think I might get some AK paint pens for that, for trying to do the ambush camo there. And this is an Eastern Front one. This is the one with the Zimrit on. Tank 213 S Panzer Abteilung 505 Eastern Front 1944. And there we go. There we have the camo scheme of it. So yeah, you took a couple of options there. Now a little explanation why it's a production turret. Basically, it's to avoid the confusion. But I got confused the first time I found out about it. Is somebody in their infinite wisdom said Kingtiger had a Porsche turret and a Krupp turret. So basically that's wrong, because obviously in the production run, the first 50, I think it's the first 50, had the Porsche turret, the Porsche design turret built by Krupp, and the rest had the Krupp turret. So you do have to choose your samples, the ones you're doing, quite carefully. So I'm completely not confused by that. Anyway, let's have a look at the sprues. And this is sprue B, the first one out of the box. Again, lovely crisp detail on here. Very fine eject in sprue nibs. On sprue B. And This is sprue R, which has the ubiquitous upper hull. Again, a little bit of weld detail, and the gas axe marks in the joints there, and all the joints here. Back part of the hull, very nice too. And I will say this about the prototype, because there were two prototypes. There was one by Porsche, and this one, and it was it went on to become the Porsche one failed. They weren't impressed with it, but they utilised all the bits, and it became the elephant. As you can, Ferdinand and the elephant, as you could see on this channel. I'll put a link in the description. Anyway, moving swiftly on, the tracks, nicely made, lovely, beautiful execution on them. Again, you've got some ejector pins there you may have to clean off, or not. The case may be. You've got the wheels on there. These do have rubber tyres, but they don't. They're painted because they're actually hidden in here on the real thing. Hidden behind the steel wheel. That's sprue A and sprue Q. I think this is for because it's got, this one also does the kingtiger. Again, second duplicate sprue there, all the same parts. And this is the final part, well, of the plastic parts anyway. Sprue H and S, which again has the turret. So they must do they've got the Porsche turret done, but they've never done it yet. I've not seen it anyway. So hopefully at some point Tamiya will get their fingers out and do the Porsche turret. I know that I believe U-Star do it. Again, you can Zimmer it if you want, or basically paint it up. And this is the cast white metal hull. Again, it says 2008 on there, so that's very helpful. No, 2006. My eyesight's a bit funny, but yeah, looks okay. And a nice bit of weight to it. And then we have some screws and some polycaps. And here we have the ubiquitous decals. I won't get them out of the packet, but you have the numbers on there and the crosses, etc, etc. So there we have a quick inbox review of the kingtiger. Hopefully you'll be seeing it soon. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.